How to edit your LinkedIn profile? Well, this is a easy thing to do. So once you have opened your LinkedIn, you will get this option of your profile, right? So if you in the phone, if you don't find this option, you have to just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left side corner. So once you click on it, it will show you an option. Now, if you want to edit it, you can here edit it each and everything. For example, if you want to edit, you have to just tap on this pencil icon. You can just change your name, additional info, and pronounce and everything, right? Even though AI give you a suggestion that how should be your headline or something, right? Headline is basically this one, right? And you can just change each and everything. For example, if you want to change your language, click on this pencil icon and change it. If you want to change your profile URL and public profile, you can also change it from here. If you want to change your features option, you can just click on this pencil icon, and here you can change your feature option, right? If you want to add something, click on this plus icon, add a post. If you have added a post, you have, again, just write newsletter, article, or something, link of your different social profiles, YouTube, anything, you can just add it from here. Right now, if you just go a little bit down here, you will find all the posts and everything. So here, if I just click on pencil icon, I can, what content do you want to show first? So I can just show my post, comments, videos, images, articles, and everything. So here I've selected post. That's why you can see that my only here the first thing which is shown, which is that is my post. If I just scroll a little bit down, this is my experience. I have to just click on this pencil icon and I will be able to change all my experience. If I want to add some of the experience, go to the plus icon. If you're working at some position in different companies or corporation, just click on add position. If you had a career break, then add a career break, right? So it's very easy thing to do. Let me show you. If I just click on add position, I have to add the title, employment type, company name, location type, and each and everything. And then I have to just click on this save, right? So it's very easy thing to do. This way you can just you can in fact change your profile banner, profile picture, each and everything, right? So it's very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.